Hi friends, it's Miss S. Today, I thought it'd be fun for us to do some science. Some things in our world are called liquids, and other things in our world are called solids. Liquids are things that you can pour. They change shape. Let's think about milk. When we buy milk from the store, it's in a carton. The milk takes the shape of the carton that it's in. Then you can pour the milk into a cup for you to drink. Then the milk takes the shape of the cup that you poured it into. Liquids are things that can change shape. Solids are things that you can't pour. They don't change shape. They stay the shape that they are forever. Let's think about this desk. Can I change the shape of this desk? No, I can't. It's a solid. My chair doesn't change shape when I sit in it. It's a solid. Another fun solid is a cookie. Today, we're going to be working with liquids and solids. We're going to make ice cream. We're going to take 2 liquids, some milk, and some vanilla, and we're going to turn them into a solid, a very yummy solid, ice cream. Are you ready? You're going to need some milk, some vanilla, a little bit of sugar, a little bit of salt, and a bag of ice. Let's get started. We're going to use some tools that we talked about in math class to measure. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take a cup of milk and we're going to pour it into a baggie. Are you ready? Be careful. Did you see how the milk changed shape? First, it was the shape of the cup that it was in to measure. Now, it's taking the shape of the bag. That's because milk is a liquid. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to take a little bit of sugar. 1 tablespoon. I'm going to use my measuring tools. 1 tablespoon of sugar. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to get 1 teaspoon of vanilla. We're going to measure very carefully. Vanilla is a liquid. Right now, it's the shape of the container that it's in, but watch as I pour it. Now, it's changing shape to take the shape of the measuring tool I poured it into. Let's pour that in. The next thing that I'm going to do, and my very last step, after I zip my baggie, I'm going to take 1/3 of a cup of salt and pour it into my ice. Salt is a solid. 1/3 of a cup. Are you ready? We're going to pour it into our bag of ice. Now we're ready for the fun part. What you're going to do now is you're going to make sure that your bag is sealed up nice and tight. I like to double bag to make sure that I don't spill any of my soon-to-be ice cream. Remember, this right now is a liquid, but soon it's going to become a solid and very, very yummy ice cream. Now we're going to take our bag of liquid and put it into our bag of solids, ice and salt. When it's in there, go ahead and seal up the bag. This is the fun part. Find a family member, mom, dad, sibling, and you can toss this bag back and forth because you need to shake it for 5 minutes to turn that liquid into a solid. See you soon. Welcome back. I hope you had fun shaking your ice cream. Let's open up our bag and take out our freshly made ice cream. Are you ready? Remember, we started with 2 liquids, milk and vanilla. Then we used ice cold solid ice to help us turn our liquid into a solid. I brought a bowl. I hope you have one. Use a spoon to scoop out your ice cream. Look at that. Does this look like a solid or a liquid? Remember, we said that a liquid takes the shape of the container that it's in. Is my ice cream taking the shape of the container? No, it's staying its own shape. That's because it's a solid. Now go enjoy your ice cream and hurry up before our ice cream melts back to a liquid. I hope you had fun.